Today we talk about how can you get style avatar on your Reddit app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here, you go above your photo profile here. Sorry, you go above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You go down here, click on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on style avatar. So then just switching to open with you. In here, can you get your style avatar here? Can you shop it in this list? You chose any of this. Just click here on pay now. So then when you just click on pay now, then here, I have not purchased it here. But if you have it, just click on pay now, then it's going to take you to pay this style avatar here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.